Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Explore with Greg. Today I am in the Coed Y Brenin forest and I'm going to go and try and find a couple of waterfalls. The first one was Pistyll Cain and the second one is... I slipped my mind now, I think it's Rhaeadr Mawddach, something like that. But this is where we're starting, this is the car park. So I think it's a 3.7 kilometre walk. Okay, so the signboard just says to follow the blue footprints. So it looks like it's going to be well marked out. Short loop, 3.7 kilometres, 1.5 hours. So this is day 3 of my little Welsh adventure, and this is a substitute adventure. This is. I was hoping to climb Cader Idris today after doing the secret waterfall, but the body is not feeling it. The mind wants to do it, but the body says no. Oh wow, I can just see one of the waterfalls through the trees. That looks quite impressive actually. Okay, so this is the first waterfall. I don't know how close you can get. Oh, actually there's a track. Oh wow. So this is Pistyll Cain. Wow, that is that is quite impressive. Wow, that is amazing actually. This is like something out of Tomb Raider, following this track. And wow, I wasn't expecting this to be quite so amazing, I've got to admit. That is stunning. That's blown me away. I wasn't expecting that at all. What an awesome place. So I noticed this route just before the bridge, which is obviously quite well trodden. So I'm just going to see how close this takes you to the waterfall going up this way. So this is the top of the falls. Wow, that's completely blown me away. I thought the secret waterfall was impressive. And considering this was just I need to find something easy to do because I can't do a mountain. This topped a mountain for me. That was unbelievable. Well, let's go and check out the other one. I was going to try and climb down to the bottom, but it's a sheer cliff face and I'm all for a bit of adventure, but probably not the best idea while I'm by myself. Okay, so this is the second of the waterfalls. I think it's Rhaeadr Mawddach, something like that. It does say no entry, and I'm not really going to climb down all of that, but I've got my drone with me, so I'll send the drone up and get some footage and probably get a better shot. Well, that's it for this episode of Explore with Greg. That was actually really good. The walk there and back, I mean, it's nice enough, but it's a little bit away from the river. You can see it, but it was worth it just for those two falls, and the first one in particular. I thought the secret waterfall was going to top today, but for me that one was so much better. Just incredible it was. So yeah, highly recommend it.